So I just came across this insane breakthrough with OpenID Connect that totally flips how we think about online security.
Oh, really? What's the big deal? I mean, isn't it just another way to sign in?
Right? Well, it's actually way more than that. It's like having a master key that opens all your digital doors securely.
A master key? That's bold. So how does it keep everything safe at the same time?
Okay, so imagine instead of juggling passwords, you use one method to authenticate across multiple sites. No more password fatigue.
Oh, that's handy. It's like replacing all your keys with a single smart key. But what's the catch?
Actually, the catch is in the implementation. Developers need to manage tokens properly or the whole thing falls apart.
Tokens. Like, what are those supposed to do?
These tokens are temporary security codes that prove you are who you say, but if mishandled, it could lead to vulnerabilities.
Whoa, so if a token gets compromised, then what? That's kind of scary.
Exactly. But it's also a game changer if done right. Think about the user experience. It could be seamless.
Right. So you could log in with a fingerprint or face recognition? That's crazy convenient.
Totally. It's like merging convenience with security. But let's not ignore the privacy concerns tied to it.
Oh man, what kind of privacy issues are we talking about?
Well, sharing your authentication info could lead to tracking or data misuse by third-party sites.
Ugh, so we're trading convenience for potentially more surveillance?
Exactly. It's a tough balance. Developers need to ensure they are integrating the service without compromising user privacy.
Okay, so what can users do to protect themselves then?
Using verification steps like multi-factor authentication can add another layer of protection.
MFA, got it. So multiple forms of identity when accessing sensitive stuff.
Yes, it's like needing both a password and a fingerprint. Super secure, but still accessible.
That gives me chills. It's like cyber locksmithing. But what about user adoption?
Oh, user adoption is where it gets tricky. People can be resistant to change, especially with security.
Right. Change is intimidating, especially when it involves our personal data. So what's the solution?
Education is key. Informing users about benefits and safe practices can make a huge difference.
Makes sense. But how do we keep it interesting for users to care about security?
Using gamification techniques can make learning about security fun and engaging.
Gamification, like rewards for secure practices. I like that.
Exactly. It turns security into a game. The more secure you are, the more rewards you earn.
That could totally work. Just think about how people love unlocking achievements.
Right? And it's not just about being secure, it's about feeling empowered to take charge of your digital life.
That's so important. A little empowerment could lead to massive changes in how we approach online security.
Totally. And if we can combine that with OpenID Connect, we could pave the way for a safer online environment.
It's wild how interconnected everything is. So what's the bottom line here?
It's about balance, efficiency versus security, convenience versus privacy. We have to navigate that.
So we're basically navigating a digital minefield while looking for a shiny new key.
Exactly, but with the right tools like OpenID Connect, we can find a clearer path through the chaos.
That's encouraging. I'm excited to see how this develops. It remains to be seen how we work all this out.
And that's what keeps it all fascinating. The journey is just as important as the destination.
Absolutely, and it's a reminder that we have the power to shape our online experience.
So the question is, how will we embrace these changes to craft a more secure future?
That's a thought to chew on. Excited for what's next in this digital adventure.